Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is June the 2nd, 2022. We're going to talk about Flux token today. I haven't done a price prediction at all for this currency, so I know many of you may have just clicked on the video for the first time listening to my content. Welcome. This is what I do. I do price prediction without the confusion. I come through and look at the price chart and the price chart only. I don't focus in on nothing else. I pay attention to what the market has already concluded so that we can get ideas where it's trying to go. So to everyone who is new, welcome aboard. This is HueFin, also known as HueFin News. I do price predictions. If you guys want to join me, I will recommend that you do, because I'm here to drop hints. I'm here to give you all the heads up as to where the market is anticipated to go. You guys want to learn more? Again, subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, tap that bell notification as well as you continue to see my price prediction whenever I conduct them. Okay, so let's talk. You guys can see that there's not a lot of price action history here on this price chart for Flux. Cool. But we do have some history. And looking at the price chart, I mean, what trend do you think this market is really on? Yeah, the overall broad trend is down. So if anyone has been pumping this cryptocurrency, ought to be ashamed of themselves, because you can clearly see that market price in Flux has been going down. You're going to be seeing more and more videos of people pumping this cryptocurrency, saying that since market has fell 30%, 50%, 70%, that this is a buying opportunity. But when you see a market on a price chart trading at all-time lows, there's no bottom. The market hasn't found a location to where the buyers find price attractive. Take a look. If anything, you guys should have seen on this particular day, okay, May the 3rd, 2022, a whole lot of volume came into the market in Flux, right? You all can see it. Massive amount of volume came through. Look at that. So on that day, right here in Flux, somebody new who had a whole bunch of tokens said, I know prices are going to continue to fall. I need to sell. That is what happened on May the 3rd. And they were right. Like, look at the price since then. It's been falling. And you're seeing another idea as to this being the case. Now, albeit it's not that much volume, for one, and then two, the spread of the price bar is not that wide. But we can still see that somebody is selling their Flux in the market. So if the majority of the market action is selling, then why in the world would you want to buy when the majority of the market is trending down, right? Why? Take a look at the market in Flux on a longer term time frame. I want to show you all the weekly. Okay. Now, this is the weekly chart in Flux, and you guys can see that with all that high volume, the market in Flux continues to go down. Now, one thing I would give the market credit is that it is maintaining support right here at 60 cents. That's a good thing, because it's creating and it is formulating a basis to where we're noticing buyers are approaching the market now. It doesn't mean that they're going to continue to stay there, especially if more selling comes into the market. It's going to break 60 cents to the downside. And what happened on the last weekly price bar right here tells me that there's still a lot of selling going on in the market in Flux. So the buyers of the market has a daunting task ahead of them. Can they be successful at buying up whoever is selling their cryptocurrency in the market? Look at this on the 2 weeks. We got 3 days and 13 hours left, and the market here in Flux is still showing me that it's still weak. Three weeks. Okay. There's a lot of weakness here on this chart. A lot. Basically starting right there. The 3-week chart from March the 28th, 2022 is where we're still seeing some massive weakness. You can see it on 5 weeks. All of the weakness that is coming into the market in Flux. Monthly time frame. Look at last month. We're starting out on a brand new month. Okay. And this tells me that there's still a lot of weakness here on this chart. Now, can we see the market go up? Of course. I'm not one of those individuals that's going to pump the cryptocurrencies until everything's going to go to the moon, everything's going to crash. Can we see price go up? Yeah. I mean, you might see the market move higher on a couple of daily price bars, but generally This chart right here on the monthly time frame is just simply showing you that it's still weak. This should not be a coin that you should be placing a whole lot of emphasis of it going up. Still a lot of weakness here. And the problem is that we don't know where the bottom is. We don't. Look at that. I'm zooming out on the price chart, and this has been the area to where the market has sustained the bottom right now. That might just be momentarily, like that might just be temporary and not forever. Right there. You can see another area to where buyers are coming into the market in flux right here. Okay. But that should not be our concern. We already can see that buyers are holding that area. What we want to see is buyers take out this area first, but then this area all the way up here. Okay, around 90 cents. So you guys can see I've created a trading channel. Look at that. It's just that simple. Now, this is the playground. This is the size of the market. The top line represents sellers. The bottom line represents buyers. So we can actually see the market in flux do this. Okay. Continue to trade in between these two horizontal lines until one of them breaks. The buyers, this is what we want to see. Okay. The sellers, the ones who are looking for the market in flux to continue to go down, want to see this. You want to see price fall. Okay. So we're going to be on the lookout, right? We're just going to be on the lookout to see which side of the market is winning. Now, from the long term, I would tell you the sellers are winning. Okay. But when I look at this on a daily, I can actually see some emphasis to where price can go up. Yeah, we can see market go up in flux, but it's not going to be one of monumental scale to where we can get price go all the way back up to like $3. I'm not seeing that. We can see the market move from here to where we are now to 77 cents. That's around what, 13-14%. We can even see it come all the way up here to 90. That's 30% run up, but that's about it. Okay. So what I'm going to do, long term, I'm looking for weakness, but shorter term, daily time frame, we can possibly see the market in flux go up, and I want to be in position for that move. Now, I'm not saying a pump. Like let's calm down, let's relax. Not looking for the market to give us a pump in that nature, but we can see the market move higher. And I'm going to drop two price targets. The first one is going to be around 75, and that's only 10.75%. That's it. We might only can get that out the market. So be prepared to run and take the profitability there. Okay. 75 cents. My second area is going to be right there towards 80. Okay. That's my second price target. My third one is up there around 90. Okay. Maybe fall a little bit lower than that. And that's it. So this is the area, this is what I'm noticing on the chart in flux as to what I'm suspecting price is going to do on a daily perspective. Now, don't forget, I told you in a longer term basis, the monthly time frame, 5-weekly chart, we're still seeing more weakness there. Okay. So let me know what you all think. Drop me a comment real quick and give me your price target, your price prediction in the market for flux. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.